Next, over on pad 2, we have Ting's Hello Kitty on an H219. Another certified flight for NAR. Pad 2 is selected. Pad 2 is armed. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Straight up.
It's a pretty kitty. Too pretty.
Yay! Where is it?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Where is it? Where's my kitty?
It's straight up there. Arcing over, we got an event. It's right above us.
Got laundry.
See ya.
Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. No. No. Oh.
Right here at the edge of the white.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's coming into blue.
It's gonna be a walk.
That's nice.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be at the entrance.
Hello, Kitty.
All right, pads are open.
Hello, Kitty's rising. And I think we got one flight left to cert 2, John.
Yep. That's all. We're good.
So this one should be good, right? My Hello Kitty.
You're gonna make it right past the road we came in. It's gonna be right at the entrance.
Meowing. Oh, that's your phone?
It's hard to see on the film.
Yeah. You got it. You're right in the white now. You got it.
Keep tracing. Stay away from the tractor tree. Tractor tree's on.
Yay, my kitty's back.
Keep climbing the tree.
Nah. Nah. Is it in the tree?
Nope.
Oh, just
right on the other side
Yay!
of the tree.
Wow.